Welcome guys, today I am preparing pumpkin mandazi. I'll use 2 cups of mandazi flour, sugar, cooked pumpkin pieces, and cooking oil for preparation. I'll add 6 teaspoons of sugar in my flour and mix nicely. Add pumpkin and continue mixing until it forms crumb-like mixture. Add cooking oil and keep mixing. I added hot water and used a cooking stick to mix, so that I don't get burnt. At this point, we'll put the dough on my workspace and start kneading. Add flour on the surface, then after the kneading, we'll let it rest for 1 hour. One hour later, it's good to go. I will put it on my surface, add some flour, roll as I make shape. Here are our shapes. The cooking oil is ready. We'll start dipping the pieces. let it cook until golden brown, then it will be ready. They are ready, we'll remove and set them aside. Don't they look amazing? Try out and let me know how they turned out. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to Nasik's Kitchen and Vlog. Thank you for watching.